Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex, and you know what? Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. And today it's actually an FP day, so which means we're gonna have some very nice movements on the market. We saw yesterday that the market was actually stronger on the USD side, or let's say a few events that we got. Like yesterday, Wednesday and stuff, they were actually in favor of USD. But today things might change. Maybe the market was just resetting itself for a very nice move today. You see, so if you are new to the channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. We still have our nice packages for those who wants to be part of the team. Lifetime signals, so you can see that it's $99 and 6 months for $59. So let me know if you want to be part of the team. So let's go quick on our analysis and see what's really happening. So you can see that we are on dollar index DXY. So actually here you can easily see that the market is still actually struggling to break this area. If you can check, we had this nice area there. I think I did not really draw it nice. I think it's around this level. Do you see that? So the market actually from this area, you can see that the market was actually on a very nice uptrend going higher. But at the moment, we can see that the market seems to be playing around our 45 degrees. If we can just call it like that, I see this shape. So you can see that the market is just playing around here. So which means at the end of the day, we might see maybe the market trying to reverse to the upside, but there is still enough chance that the market can actually continue to go lower, especially when we broke out of this support area. So which means we might see the market continuing to go even lower. We might have something like this, and the market might continue to go to the lower side. We can see that we are coming from a very proper uptrend structure. So this might be a very proper downtrend structure going further. But at the moment, if we can go closer again, you can easily see that we had some ranging structures, and these structures you can see very nice here. It seems like the market actually broke out of the structure, but it's not really something that you should panic, because we have so many areas that we can use on this level as we are on this nice downtrend structure. So which means the market can create something like this and still continue to go even lower. Why? Because we have areas that maybe the market is trying to touch, or maybe this area because of certain events, but at the end of the day, the market might still continue to go lower. But we have to keep track of this type of a move because we just had a nice consolidation structure. You might find that later on, the market might actually continue to go lower, especially when we are on this down trend structure. Right? So, but it's possible that maybe NFP might be quite positive. Remember, this is USD index. If it's gonna be positive, I think we will see a very nice push to the upside. So which means we will be slowly getting out of this downtrend, or maybe the market can still go higher around the levels. Then the market might still reverse. That is quite possible, especially when we know that we are still going to have rates cuts coming along the way. I hope you understand that. So yeah, at the moment, I think the dollar it was trying to gain some momentum, but we will try to see what will happen later on, if maybe we will see a continuation. But this is going to be controlled by NFP, if it's going to be positive or maybe negative. So we can't actually know that. When we say positive, we mean the numbers there, employment is going to beat the expectation, and the negative means the number will be below the expectation or estimate. So which means below estimate, that is actually no, it's bad. We will see the market going lower. If it's good, which means the market will be or sorry, NFP will be beating estimates, it means we will see the market going higher. I hope you understand what I'm trying to explain here for you. Now we are on GBPUSD. Yeah, this, I think this showed you that this is the easier way to show you that yes, the dollar, it was quite stronger yesterday, or yeah, I think yesterday or day before that. So the market has been going down on GBPUSD, so that shows the strength of USD. But besides that, you can easily see that we've been on this nice uptrend. So whatever that happens here, it's not really actually changing the trend. So which means at the end of the day, we are still on this nice uptrend. We still see a continuation of this nice bullish move. So I was expecting to see the market maybe touching this previous area or zone. So maybe the market might touch this area, then we might see a nice push. So now with the structures that I see now, I think I'm expecting NFP to be a little bit weaker. So which means sometimes it might be positive actually, but what I'm expecting from the structure, I expect to see a nice bounce back. Maybe the numbers might be positive or whatever, but at the end of the day, I think this is actually going to be a continuation of this nice uptrend. Maybe we might get a smaller reversal, but at the end of the day, we might see a very nice push to the upside. Unless if we get some aggressive figures there, if maybe they are way too positive or maybe like way seriously weak, that is going to be aggressive. But at the end of the day, I don't really see the market breaking or changing what we have here. If you can check from, I think, coming from what? From May, April there. I think let's say April. How many NFPs did we have? So there were many, obviously. So if we check along the way, we had so many of them which were weak, positive. But at the end of the day, the market kept going higher. So which means the market kept the trend. So we also want to continue with that. You see. I hope you understand that. I hope you understand that. Yes, what we want is we don't just want quite aggressively like negative or positive, because that might change the way we see things. Now we are on gold. What's happening? I think is quite straightforward. We can see that the market is doing what? It's continuing with that uptrend. So plus we have Middle East tensions that might also fuel the market to continue going higher. But already we are actually high. We can see that we've been going up now, like a bit aggressive. I think a reversal is necessary. A reversal is necessary, but we'll just have to wait and see. Because if you checked all the economic news that we had this week, the market did not really do anything. The market did not really change anything here. So this shows us that we still have some tensions or panic in the market, and there are people who are buying a lot gold. I hope you see that. So which means we still have enough room. Maybe a reversal, it's obvious. It might happen anytime, but I think we still have enough room for the market to continue going higher, especially when tensions are still continuing to go higher. Plus, on the US side, we expect, or we can say FOMC side, we expect rates cuts. So which means this will make the dollar to be a little bit weaker. And when we check situation at the moment, everyone or mostly investors are all over the world, obviously they will buy gold. You see. So which means things are not really looking good at the moment. But at the end of the day, we still see the market continuing going up on the gold side. So which means for us to buy, we have two options. We can say the market has to break our resistance. This, you can see this level there, it's a zone. So, or maybe around this support area, it's where we can actually look for a buy around this level, or maybe the market can break this level, then we can say, yeah, it's good. We can still look for a buy. Or if we jump in here, remember we are between this level. You can see that the market can just consolidate, and this is not really good. This is not really good if you just buy in between, so you might end up losing. So let's push to the next one, which is US30. So what's really happening on US30, guys? We can see that the market, the overall structure, it is still this nice uptrend structure, and we still expect to see the market going even higher. But what we have, let me just show you this. What we have, it seems like the market is struggling to continue to go even higher. Just look where I'm drawing this. You can see that, no man, we reached this highest line. We can call that a resistant line, but it's not really guaranteed. We can't just say this is stronger, because at the end of the day, we are pushing to the upside. So which means the market will still disrespect some of this resistance, especially when we have this bullish momentum. You see, when we have enough bullish momentum, it means bearish momentum, it's always disrespected, or which means the market can always break these areas, but it's difficult to break the support area because the bullish momentum is way too stronger. You see, I hope you understand that. I'm trying to make this simpler for you so that you understand. So what we have here is we can easily see that the market around this area is just consolidating. So the question is, are we going to see that sell? Okay, so it's possible. So the best thing that I can do is, I like to trade the news, guys. I like to trade the news, but sometimes, some of the times you, this speaker, sorry. Some of the times you can't know what will happen. Things are just mixed up. Yes, the overall structure, I still believe that we are going to continue going higher as we have this trend. But you saw that it seems to be on a stronger resistance also. So the question is, which side the market is going to choose? We don't know. You see, so, and when we don't know, let's relax. Check those news, and if things are positive, we will see it by breaking this area. Then we can say, okay, it's Christmas time. Let's jump to it. But if that doesn't really happen, obviously we just need to stay alert and see if maybe there's something very good happening and that we can take. And we can see here on Nasdaq also. Please, guys, you can still join our team. Just let me know if you want to be part of the team. 3 months signals, you can see there, 6 months lifetime for only $99, guys. You're saving a lot. So yeah, let's see. So Nasdaq, we can see that Nasdaq is slowly trying to go higher. So maybe this is the start of this wave of bullish momentum structure. Let's hope that is what I'm expecting here. And I think with this structure, I like what I see here. I think maybe during NFP, we might see maybe a nice push to the upside. That's possible because we are very closer to this support area. And sometimes this might confuse you because NFP most likely doesn't really go nice with because this actually represents USD, and the stock market, let's say maybe a Nasdaq, they mostly go opposite directions, right? So which means at the end of the day, things like today, like when we have NFP today, they might move in the same direction, because if enough people are working, it means these companies which are in this in this Nasdaq, they will gain something, because it means enough people are working, they will buy iPhones, Microsoft, Google, whatever. So which means at the end of the day, we might see the market going higher. So which means it's also good to see NFP going higher, not really aggressive, but we don't really want to see a slower economy in the dollar side, you see. So which means, yes, we actually want positive one to see the market going up. If it's going to be negative, it might look good for NFP at first, but I think we'll see a nice sell-off because that is not really good. If maybe there's a few people who are working, who's gonna buy products from those companies? Oh, simple as that, right? So yeah, I'm expecting not really aggressively positive because we still want to see rates cuts coming. You see, but at the end of the day, we saw the market playing around this level. Maybe a week or two here, the market has been consolidating. So yeah, so you can see that we expect to see the market maybe doing something. The market has been playing around the same level. So at the end of the day, I'm still very, very bullish, but I think the decider is going to be NFP. I hope maybe that makes sense. So tensions in the Middle East, yeah, finally it seems to be an uptrend. The market just broke out of US oil structure. We were on this nice downtrend. So at the end of the day, it seems like we're breaking out. So we need to be extra careful because anything can still happen. I don't think this has anything to do with NFP or something. I think it has anything to do with Middle East tensions. If things are the way they are at the moment, I think we will see a continuation of that trend, because when the market breaks out here, it means that we are starting to form a new trend, which means at the end of the day, we are going to see the opposite of this. Down, now it's going to be an uptrend. And it's not like that. Sometimes, if you see the market go doing something like this, don't just jump, because sometimes the market is just testing the waters and you just jump on a buy there, then the market, boom, you lose, you see. Or maybe the market will just play around before it start to create proper trends. The market start to do something like this before we start to have a proper trends. It doesn't just happen immediately. I hope you understand that. Sometimes you need to have that patience and that knowledge to understand all that, you see. So now we are on the German 30, German 40, German 30, German 40. So I think here we're going to have something like that. The market is on this nice trend, but on a smaller one there, it seems like the market broke out. Let's go closer there and see if maybe you can see that. It seems like the market is going to respect this level. Do you see that? So if the market is going to respect this level, around this area, it means maybe we will see a nice push the upside. But what I had or what I saw, it seems like German companies, most of them, they are struggling. They are going down. So that's not really good. Maybe we will see something here. So I'm not confident buying at the moment. Maybe we will see later on, because it seems like German economy is not really doing great. So trade stuff that you follow, guys. Don't just trade just in the sake of trading, just because you understand structures, but you have to also understand their fundamentals, their geopolitics, whatever that is happening in that country. So for now, I think, guys, it's enough. Thank you very much. Don't forget to smash that like button, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button. So thank you very much, guys. Yeah, I will see you on the next one. Yeah, for those who want to be part of the team, there you can pause the video. Thank you very much. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.